Hey everyone! Today, I've got some exciting news to share with you. xTool has just announced the world's first integrated multifunctional smart metalworking station, the xTool MetalFab. This powerful all-in-one machine combines a CNC laser cutter and a laser welder, bringing fast, industrial-grade metalworking capabilities to your small business at an affordable price. With the xTool MetalFab, you can CNC laser-cut metal sheets up to 5 millimeters thick from any metal material and then laser weld them together into a finished product. It even supports freehand laser cutting. And that's not all. This machine is also capable of high-speed rust removal and parts cleaning. At its core, the xTool MetalFab features a powerful 1,200-watt laser source and a large CNC platform with a 610 by 610 millimeter working area, making precision metalworking faster and easier than ever. The xTool MetalFab can be used on a wide range of operations ranging from laser cutting to laser cleaning both in CNC and freehand mode, making it one of the most versatile lasers on the market today. Don't forget to like this video and drop a comment if you want me to get my hands on one of these machines and put it to the test to see if it will deliver its promises. The xTool MetalFab is one of the most user-friendly, high-tech metal fabrication stations available today. Check out these game-changing features. Dual camera system, like the one I tested in the xTool P2 and P2S, ensures minimal material waste and providing you the ability to position the cuts exactly where you want them, never missing the alignment. Vibe-free cut technology eliminates vibration and corner jitter at high cutting speeds, boosting cut quality as this machine can reach cutting speeds up to 400 millimeters per second. FlexiTrack algorithm which dynamically adjusts the Z-axis, compensating for metal warping for a perfect cut every time. Obstacle-free avoidance system prevents collisions with lifted finished parts, protecting your project and your machine. And the Smart Flow Cutting feature which optimizes cutting paths, combining lines from multiple shapes to save time and improve efficiency. But safety first. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is a 1200-watt laser safe to use? The xTool MetalFab meets the strictest global safety standards, including CE, FCC, FDA, ICES, plus Class 4 laser compliance and SGS certification. The fully enclosed CNC cutting platform blocks 99.9% of stray laser light, meaning you can safely operate it without goggles. Goggles are, of course, necessary for laser welding. Laser welding with the xTool MetalFab is done by hand. It produces clean, high-quality welds, similar to TIG welding, but at 12 times the speed. Even better, it requires less skill, is easier to learn, and makes getting into metal fabrication a hassle-free experience. Oh, and here's a cool fact. The xTool MetalFab can even weld underwater. With a 10,000-plus hour lifespan, the MetalFab is an affordable and reliable solution for anyone looking to expand into metalworking. It's perfect for metal art businesses, repair and maintenance services, rapid prototyping and fabrication shops, and traditional metalworking businesses that want to upgrade with easy-to-use CNC laser cutting and laser welding capabilities. xTool also offers US-based support and a 5-year warranty. You can also become a deposit backer, locking the lowest possible price for the xTool MetalFab. And if you refer your friends, you can get up to 20% of additional discount. You can lock the lowest price for your favorite configuration if you become the early backer and pay a small deposit. Link in the video description. Would you like me to test the xTool MetalFab and see if it lives up to the hype? Leave a like and let me know in the comments. Maybe I could start making some welding projects like I did in the good old times.